Hey everybody, welcome to the Schraders farm where we have soybeans that are almost ready to be cut. These beans are a little bit chewy yet, which means they're a little soft. Mosquitoes. We got like a little shot of rain this morning, so I'm not sure if they'll be ready yet today, but I'm holding out hope that we can at least try it. But we got some things left to do yet today to get ready, so we gotta get the dryer cleaned out underneath and hooked up to the tractor, semi unhooked from the trailer so we can fix an air leak, and then we gotta put the plastic pieces on the grain head. So we got plenty to do today. We might get to try it later. We'll see how it goes. All right, so first we gotta get the big truck started up and then get it unhooked from the trailer because there's like a leveling valve on the truck that's leaking. We need to fix it. I don't know how long it's gonna take to fix, but even if we don't get it fixed today, we have to hook this back up. We still need to grease the fifth wheel because this thing's been hooked up to this trailer for months. We get it over here to fix it, and once you know, the valve's not leaking now, whatever. There's two of these airbags that haven't been replaced in a while, and they're starting to get kind of rusty and weather checked, so this one especially right here. And perhaps something with the leveling valve. I know nothing about semi-trucks other than what I can figure out on my own. So we're gonna wait for the mechanic to get here to work on that truck so I don't do something I shouldn't do. Instead, we're gonna go clean up underneath the dryer and get that mess finally finished, picking up. Finish picking up that mess. Oh, nice. Oh, come on. Sounds like we needed a starter. That big fatty. Should take him fishing. I know nothing about fishing. I've never been fishing a day in my life. There we go. We got underneath the dryer cleaned up. I'm gonna try to clean up some of this grass real quick too. Get my morning workout going. I started cleaning up that crack and those weeds there, and then I started cleaning this. I might be getting a little carried away, but I'm just in the cleaning mood, and this little patch right here is pretty unkept. Pretty sure I put these rocks here when I was like 18. So over the years, it's just grown up to brush. So I'm gonna get rid of these rocks and this brush and smooth this out so that maybe we could mow it. There you go. What do you guys think? Is it an improvement? I think it looks a little better. I can't get at those things to pull them out, so I'm gonna have to get my Sawzall and cut them off, I guess. Maybe put some Roundup on them to make sure they don't grow back. I don't know. I guess I did get a little carried away, but that was fun. What do we got to do now? I'm not really sure what to do with that truck yet. I think I might just grease the fifth wheel and hook it back up. I don't know, it's not leaking air anymore. And then get the combine out and finish getting that ready to go. And maybe by 4 o'clock today, the beans will be drying up. We'll see. Okay, I have no clue what I'm doing. I don't have fifth wheel grease, but I have regular grease. I think that's better than nothing. So here it goes. All right, there we go. She's all hooked back up. So that's ready to go-ish. I don't know, there might be something still wrong with it, but it's above my level of expertise. It's definitely good enough to haul stuff back from the field with. I just don't know if we want to take it over to across the lake. Now it's time to go get the combine, and we're gonna put the head on it real quick and do some work to that. All right, so all these yellow things is a piece of plastic like this. It's just a wear piece because metal would catch on the residue, and well, it does catch on the residue. Like this one with the hole in it, that's gonna catch trash. So that's why they are plastic, and they're very expensive. They might as well be metal. I bought this tiny piece and this tiny piece just last week, and it was $42. All we gotta do is take our hammer and chisel and break out the rivets, and then take our rivet gun and put new ones in. Okay, now we gotta try cutting this bolt head off. It won't tighten, so we gotta cut the head off without burning the combine down and hope for the best here. More torch. This is going well. Can't get this one last rivet out. So I had to torch that bolt off because the old one wasn't coming out, and I had to tighten this up. Both these bolts were loose so I could get this rivet popped through. So it's never easy. We just gotta man up and do it. Gotcha. Brand new. Now we're gonna go check out and see which other ones we need to do. That one right there is a maybe. This one's the worst one because it's getting really thin. I think we're gonna run out of rivets. Let's just do at least these two, and then if any of the other ones catch trash, we'll change them out as we go here. Okay, we've got 6 rivets, which means we can do 2 pieces of plastic. Oh, there's 7. All right, same procedure for these ones. Cut the rivets, put the new one on. I don't know if I'll bore you those details. Brand new plastics on the head. Now we can spin this baby around. Gotta blow this crud off the head. All right, got the head cleaned off. Got her all ready to go. I think we're ready to go try it. Well, it's hard to combine and take videos at the same time, but essentially what's going on now is we switched to a different field. I wanted to open that field up because the edges were pretty green and I wanted some wet stuff to fill the dryer up. But I also wanted to blow out any of the junk that was left in here in the combine from last summer, any wheat or rye, because this field that I'm in right now is going to be a wheat field, so I want it to be pretty clean. So now we're in this field, and I just got the outside pass done. I'm going to do probably one more pass around and try to get enough to fill the dryer. Right now they're running about 14%. The ones from that other field, they have what's called green stem syndrome. The stems stay green, and even the bottom pods don't really mature that well. That's what's going on with them. We're gonna have to probably dry that entire field. I'm gonna finish this time around, which I gotta go all the way around this field. After that, I'm gonna bring the truck home and call it a night. Stuff's starting to get tough now anyway, so thanks for watching, and thank you to everybody who helped us hit 100 subscribers. We appreciate you guys. Stay hungry.
He just honked up with his toes.